Chapter 9. Web Browser. Dear children, now you are much familiar with the term Internet and its various terminologies. In this chapter, we are going to study about web browser and its uses in detail. Web browser. A web browser, or simply a browser, is a software program that allows you to access and view web pages. Microsoft Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator and Mozilla Firefox are the more commonly used web browsers for personal computers. You need a web browser and a computer that is connected to the Internet to browse the web. The starting page of a browser is called a home page. It is similar to a book cover or a table of contents for a website. It provides information about the site's purpose and content. Web browser come with some of features like search engine toolbars, download managing, password managing and bookmark managing, etc. The web browser can be of two kinds: text-based browser and graphical user interface-based web browsers. A web browser is a powerful tool that is not just used for a personal computer, but they are also used on mobile phones, handheld game system, as well as pocket PCs. Web-enabled handheld computers and devices, such as cellular telephones, WAP, use a special type of browser designed for their small screens. Mosaic was the first successful graphical web browser written by Mark Anderson and Eric Bina in 1992 and released in 1993. It provided a pleasurable means to navigate the www and was free for personal use. Different types of web browsers. There are different web browsers that are available and in use today, and they all come with a variety of features. Some of the web browsers include Microsoft Internet Explorer. This web browser is the most widely used by people around the world. It was developed by Microsoft in 1995 as a supportive package to Microsoft Windows operating system. Mozilla Firefox. It is the second most famous browser after Internet Explorer. It can be used on many different operating systems including Windows, Macintosh, OS/2 and Unix. It supports tabbed browsing that allows the user to open multiple sites in a single window. Opera. This web browser was developed by Opera Software in 1996. It is a well-known browser that is mainly used in activated mobile phones and smartphones. It is used with many operating systems like Linux, Mac OS, MS Windows, etc. Netscape Navigator. It was developed by Netscape Communication Corporation and was most popular in 1990s. It was compatible with almost every operating system. Although there are many web browsers available and many more are likely to arrive in future. Children, now we will learn about Microsoft Internet Explorer in detail. Although there are many web browsers available and many more are likely to arrive in future. Children, now we will learn about Microsoft Internet Explorer in detail. Microsoft Internet Explorer. Microsoft Internet Explorer, commonly known as IE. It was developed by Microsoft in 1994 and released in 1995. There are many versions of Internet Explorer. The latest is Internet Explorer 8, which is available in Windows 7. Starting Internet Explorer. To start an Internet Explorer to browse the net, you have to follow the steps as: click on Internet Explorer icon on the taskbar. The Internet Explorer window appears. If you are not currently connected to the Internet, a dialog box will appear that allows you to connect. When you finish browsing through the information on web, click on Close to close the Internet Explorer window. Internet Explorer window. You should know about web browser window elements before working on it. Title bar. It displays the title of the displayed web page. Address bar. It is used to type the address of a web page that you want to visit. Status bar. This area displays the current status of Internet Explorer. connectivity icon. When you are working online, this icon is displayed. Scroll arrow. These are used to move up or down the current web pages. Zoom button. It is used to zoom the web page. Back takes you to the previous page you were on. Forward. Clicking on this button will display the page on screen on which you were working before using the back button. Stop stops downloading a page from the internet. Refresh refreshes the current page to show the latest version. Search. This gives you access to search information by using the search engine. Displaying a specific web page. You can display any page on the web that you want to serve by knowing the address of that web page. Each page on the web has a unique address called a URL, Uniform Resource Locator. Click on this area to highlight the current web page address. Type the address of the web page you want to display and then press the Enter key. You do not need to type http:// when typing a web page address. For example, you do not need to type http:// in front of www.rediff.com. The web page appears on your screen. Selecting a link. A link connects text or an image from one web page to another web page. When you select the text or image, the linked web page appears. Links are also known as hyperlinks. Position the mouse pointer over a highlighted word or image of your interest. The mouse pointer changes to a hand when over a link. Click on the word or image to display the linked web page. The linked web page appears. Address of the web page is displayed in the address bar. Opening a web page in a tab. Tab helps you to open as many pages as you want in single Internet Explorer window. You can make it easier to work with multiple web pages simultaneously by opening each page in its own tab. Open a web page in a tab. Press the Control key on the keyboard. Click on the link you want to open in New tab. A new tab appears with the page title. Click on the tab to display the page. Displaying and changing your home page. You can display and change the web page that appears each time whenever you start Internet Explorer. This page is called your home page. Display your home page. Click on Home to display your home page. Your home page appears. Your home page may be different than the home page shown in picture. Change your home page. Display the web page you want to set as your home page. Click on the down arrow of Home menu. A menu appears. Click on Add or Change Home Page. Add or Change Home Page dialog box appears. Click on the radio button of Use this web page as your only home page. Click on Yes. Adding a web page to favorites. There may be sites that you often visit. In that case, you can make use of Favorites feature. With this feature, you can display your favorite web page in quick time. Display the web page you want to add to your list of favorites web pages. Click on Favorites button. A menu will appear. Click on Add to Favorites. The Add a Favorite dialog box appears. The name of the web page appears in Name box area. Click on Add button to add web page to your list of favorites. Now you can click the Favorite button and see the names of your new added favorites. Search the web through browser. You can search the web anytime without opening a search provider page with the built-in search box. You can display search results in a single tab and then open the results in other tabs to quickly compare sites and find the information you want. Click on Search box and then type search that describes the information you want to search for. Press Alt plus Enter. Internet Explorer displays your results in a new tab. so you don't lose the site you're currently viewing. A list of matching websites and their descriptions appear in this area. You can use scroll bar to see additional websites in this area. To display a web page, click on the website of interest. The website you selected appears in this area.